is Rishabh and I am a student of class 4th. I have created a game on the topic of escape from the pandemic on Scratch software. So now I am going to brief you about working and blocks used. First of all, I have painted a sprite of virus, corona warrior, and vaccine. I have made 3 levels in this game: red, orange, and green. First is red zone area where we are very much infected. If we catch coronavirus sprite and vaccine sprite in vaccine bowl, our score gets increased by 1 point. And if we catch more coronavirus sprites, we will be shifted to orange zone, which is second level in our game. And if we will catch the maximum number coronavirus sprites in vaccine bowl, we will be free from the orange zone and will enter in the green zone. 5 vaccine lives will be given in the game, and if they get exhausted, game will be over and message will be displayed on the screen. When we will click the flag on the interface, the game will started. Now coming to the coding part. So this is our coding. First of all, we set the score 0, then we will take forever block. Then take another block, created a clone of virus and put it inside the forever block. All the coding of coronavirus, corona warrior vaccine has been displayed on the screen. So let's play the game. As you can see, we are collecting viruses in the vaccine bowl. Our zone gets changed if we collect more and more viruses. At the end, if you collect maximum viruses, you are in the game.